Is customer service important? How you're looked after you've spent the money on something you hope lasts for many years of use and some abuse. Sure, with Pulsar, designed and built in Europe, you buy it because you know you can rely on it.
Could I leave it here and come and collect it?
Yeah. So.
But at Thomas Jacks, we know all too well your Pulsar device can take a knock, get dropped, dunked, sometimes even driven over, and covered in all manner of... yeah, you get the picture. So at our Pulsar UK Support and Service Centre, we fix them, clean them and return them, working and looking, well, practically like new.
People buy a product of that level of standard and you get maintenance for life. Just says everything about the service level of the organisation. This is me as a consumer. I'm amazed. I think it's fantastic. Yeah, it's terrific. It's what it's all about, because you get repeat custom. It's invaluable. You would pay for that. I would every day. It's about value for money, isn't it? It's not just about purchase price. It's about longevity of product and brand.
Definitely, it's had 4 years of pure abuse, and it is it's been run over, dropped in puddles, it's been everywhere, and it just keeps going and going and going. It's used every single day, and like I say, it gets worked. It was proper battered. The end cap was snapped off, the rubbers was ripped on the front, all the numbers on the top were worn away, it was scratched. It was not good. No, it's a tool, mate. I see these people who cradle theirs and they look after them and keep it in the pot and everything. Well, that's why you spend the money, innit? Spend the money, have a decent product that's going to work and do the job. I run a pest control company and we do a lot of work in the steel works, and the environment is just absolute dust and grit and everything, and it's just out in it in all weathers. And that's why I haven't changed, because I don't think anything else is going to stand up to that amount of abuse.
So device, neck shop in there, done. High cut radiator, power button and lens cap, and update the firmware.
Brand new. Lovely guys, thanks very much.
You're welcome.
Have a good day, take care all.
So it's already on the latest firmware. Give them clean, replace the lens cap, replace the O-ring, put a spare O-ring in the file there, and your original's back in there. Brilliant. Replace the button panel screws and get that.
Thank you very much. Like brand new again. New seal. Very good. Thank you very much. Very happy. Well worth it. Thank you.
Sent it back and they've serviced it and put it back how it should be, I suppose.
Nice, yeah.
But, yeah, well impressed. It does well.
Good, well.
XP38, you know.
Yeah, nice. Well, I'm glad you got the service that you bought.
Yeah, came back and...
It's a massive selling point, isn't it?
Yeah,
having a UK service support centre.
Yeah, well, I think it's about 300 quid to put what was damaged and everything. It was that, wasn't it? So,
but the thing is, the fact that we can...
Been hammered, like, you know.
The thing is, if we can still repair it, we did I looked on the system, the oldest unit we'd ever repaired was 11 years old.
Yeah.
So you think about the value, if you spend $4 grand or $3 grand on it, the fact that you know it's going to last all them years.
Yeah.
It's a huge selling point.
Yeah.
It's incredible. That is absolutely incredible. Now it all makes sense, yes.
To us at Thomas Jacks, customer service and support, that's just part of owning a Pulsar.
How is this stuff legal?
It's cheating, isn't it, though?
It really is cheating.
Go to Noida with one of these.
I'm David Thomas Jacks. Thanks for watching.